Based on early 2026 concept reports and rumors, Redmi Note 16 Pro Plus. First look leaks. The Redmi Note 16 Pro is expected to be a high-end mid-range smartphone. The 200-megapixel camera is unlikely to be available on the standard model and will instead appear on the Note 16 Pro Plus and Note 16 Pro editions. The global version of the Note 14 Pro Plus also offered a 200MP primary camera on the rear, which is the Samsung ISOCELL HP3, featuring a 6.7 to 6.8-inch AMOLED 120Hz to 144Hz display. It is rumored to be powered by the Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 or Dimensity 8450 chipset, featuring up to 12GB RAM, 512GB storage, and Android 16, and a large 7000 mAh battery with 80W plus fast charging, which could launch in China in early 2026. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.